Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy and change action steps in Power Automate. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your automated workflows and allow you to make the changes you need. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see a navigation panel. Look for and click on the option labeled My Flows. This section displays all the automated workflows you've created or have access to, making it easy to manage and edit them whenever necessary. Now browse through your list of flows and hover your mouse over the specific flow you want to work with. When you do this, you'll notice several icons appear. Look for the pencil icon, which represents the edit function, and click on it. This will open the flow editor where you can view and modify all the actions and triggers within that particular workflow. Before you start copying any actions, there's an important setting you need to check. Navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and locate the toggle for New Designer. Make sure this option is turned off. The classic editor provides better functionality for copying and pasting actions, so working with it disabled will give you a smoother experience during this process. Next, scroll through your workflow and locate the specific action step you want to copy. Once you've found it, click on the three dots icon next to that action. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Copy to my clipboard. This action stores the entire step configuration, including all its settings and parameters, so you can paste it elsewhere without having to reconfigure everything from scratch. Now it's time to paste your copied action. Scroll to the location in your workflow where you want to add the duplicated step. Click on the plus icon that appears between actions. This opens up the options for adding new steps. From the menu that appears, click on Add an Action. This will bring up the action selection interface where you can choose what type of step to add next. Here's where it gets convenient. Instead of searching through hundreds of available actions, simply click on my clipboard at the top of the selection menu. This section displays any actions you've recently copied. You'll see the action you just copied listed there. Click on it and it will be instantly pasted into your workflow with all the original settings intact. You can now modify any parameters or settings in this copied action as needed without affecting the original step. And that's it, you've successfully copied and pasted an action step in Power Automate, saving yourself time and effort in rebuilding complex actions from scratch. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.